Before going into the chemistry of organic compounds, we will understand the concept of orbital in a very brief manner and then gradually go into the depth. For this, we need to have knowledge in physical chemistry where atomic structure is taught. Concept of orbital. The mathematical form of a movement of electrons around the nucleus considering wave particle duality of electron was given by Schrödinger, which was psi square psi zx square d2 square psi dx square plus d2 square d2 psi. The mathematical form of movements of electrons around the nucleus considering wave particle duality of electron was given by Schrödinger, which was given by equation where psi is a wave function, x, y, z are the variable coordinate positions of the electron, m mass of the electron, h Planck constant, ev are total energy and potential energy of the electron respectively. d2 psi dz square, d2 psi dy square, d2 psi dz square plus 8 pi square m upon h e minus v into psi is equal to 0. Solving for radial wave function, we obtain for 1s n is equal to 1, l is equal to 0, r is equal to 2z upon a naught 3 by 2 e zr upon a naught. For 2s, n is equal to 2, l is equal to 0, r. For 2s, n is equal to 2, l is equal to 0, r is equal to 1 by 2 under root 2, z upon a naught, power 3 by 2, 2 minus zr upon a naught, e power minus zr 2 a naught. For 2p, n is equal to 2, l is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 by 2 under root 6 z upon a naught power 3 by 2 zr upon a naught e power minus zr 2 e naught, where z number of protons, a naught first Bohr radius, r radial distance of the electron from the nucleus. Therefore, radial probability will the r square and characteristic graph are 4 pi square r square r a is like this. Similarly, angular wave functions are this is a graph of 1s and 2s. For s orbital, psi is equal to 1 upon 4 pi की power 1 by 2. For p orbital, psi is equal to 3 upon 4 pi power 1 by 2 cos theta. For dz, psi 5 upon 16 pi power 1 by 2 3 cos square theta minus 1, where theta is equal to angle by the radius with the z-axis in polar coordinate. Therefore, combination of r square, theta square, psi square gives overall probability of finding an electron around the nucleus. As many properties of atom match with the mathematical domain of the orbital, that is maximum probability of finding as electron. Therefore, we can draw the following pictures of the orbitals. 1s spherical, 2pz, 2px in x-axis, 2py, y-axis is a dumbbell shape, 2pz, z-axis dumbbell, 3zxy in xy direction 2 dumbbells, 3dzx in xz direction 2 dumbbell, 3zx square y square on x axis y axis 2 dumbbells, 3z square, one loop, one dumbbell in z-axis and one spiral in x-axis around.